Hi, I'm Chi. Today I'd like to share some of the online resources for MMD stages that you can download for your videos. So as someone who is quite new to MMD, I was actually very confused at the start as to where I can get all my stages and other resources for my videos, and I thought that it would be a useful guide for new MMD creators to learn where and how to download stages for your videos. So before I start, I just want to say thank you again to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and commented on my videos. I really appreciate your support, and I would be very happy if you continue supporting this channel so that I can make more videos for you guys. Okay, let's dive right into this. So for most MMD stages, you can find them on Deviantart. In case you are unaware, Deviantart is an American online art community where creators can post their artwork and other creations online for sharing. So you can find a whole range of 3D stages, objects on DeviantArt. So most of these stages are in PMX format, so they are compatible with MMD, but you need to check. Sometimes they are in other formats that you can only open in Blender software or others, and you have to convert them to PMX or an X format. X format is like an accessory in MMD. If you are looking for Genshin Impact stages, meaning the places in Genshin itself, you can search for this user, Call Me Lux. I think they have quite a range of stages, from the Jade Chamber, the Grand Narukami Shrine, Golden House, Northland Bank. Yeah, so you can explore DeviantArt. There are quite a number of creators who already rigged the stage from the game into a format that is usable for MMD, so you can check those out. Okay, the second major website where you can find the MMD stages is this Japanese site called Niconi Seiga. Okay, it is the Japanese version of DeviantArt. So it's an online artist community where everyone can post their creations and stuff like that. So if you go to this website, you will be able to find the stages if you search in the search bar here. You type MMD stage in Japanese and you search. So in the search results, you will be able to see the various stages that all the creators have uploaded, but not every one of them are available for download. So you need to click in to check. So for instance, you selected maybe this Shrine Gate and you want to download it, you need to check. So click it. It will take you to the page where there's the description of the stage, and it's all in Japanese, so if you don't understand, it's fine. So if you want to just download, you look for the word DL, download, and you go to the link that is stated here. So you open it in a new tab, go to, and if you notice there is this download password. Okay, so this is the password you need to key in order to download this stage. So what I do is I go to the link, right? So I will just copy and paste the password. As you can see, you just scroll down to this box and you key in the password and then click download, and your download should begin. So a lot of Bilibili creators, they get their stages from this user called Momoji Kura, I guess. Yes. So if you scroll down, they had a couple of very interesting stages you can download. So you can follow the similar process as before. Go in and type the password if there is one, and then download. So when you search for stages on Nico Seiga, sometimes they will direct you to another website called Niconi Solid. So basically, this is the equivalent of 3D warehouse in SketchUp. They have lots of 3D models. Let me go to the website. Yeah, it's called Niconi Solid. As you can see, they have many different 3D stages you can download here. Just search for MMD Stage similarly, and you will be able to see those labeled in green, MMD, for download. Okay, so for instance, I want to download this Eternal Corridor. I can scroll down. The download button is right here. Download. Okay, so once you click download, they will pop up this kind of like agreements that you use it responsibly, and also credit the resource creator, and also remember to check out the readme in the folder. So if you agree to this and you just click agree, this blue button, and the download will start. Okay, I have compiled a whole collection of the static images that I use for some of my videos. These are actually pictures taken in the game, so I compiled them into Google Drive. If you're interested, you may feel free to use it. I'll put the link in the description below. So because like some of the videos I created, right, they don't have camera panning, so I use a static backdrop for ease and convenience. So depends on your creation. If you are panning the camera, you would prefer to use a 3D stage as you found in Deviantart or Nico. Okay, so I'll put the link in the description for your use, but please do read the readme, right, and make sure you use the images responsibly. Okay, don't use it for illegal or commercial purposes. Okay, thank you. Last but not least, I want to share a tip about using moving backgrounds. So sometimes you have a moving background and you try to load it as an AVI file under background and it doesn't work, right? If that happens, you can simply just load a green screen, and then you export this file, this MMD, as an AVI, and then overlay it with your background in another video editing software. The quality will be better, and it will not cause so much lag, because sometimes if you load too many motion and animations in MMD, depending on your computer, mine definitely will crash. Like after a few trials of exporting and stuff, it will crash. So I suggest you try to minimize the load when you put it into MMD. Okay, before I end this video, I wanted to remind all of you who are downloading these stages from the websites and from my Google Drive to please credit the authors. For mine, you can just credit my name, enimul. Whereas for the others, you have to look at the respective names. Even if it's in Japanese, you need to credit, okay? Because I see a lot of videos in Bilibili, they do not credit, and that's really against the rules, okay? People take a lot of time to create stages for you to use, so the basic courtesy is for you to at least credit them for their hard work. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope you enjoyed this rather short guide, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.